We're doing base 3 now, so I'm going to start with a scan through the numbers from 1 to 28 over on the right-hand side. You can pause while you write if you need to. And I just notice 3 squared is 9 is 100. You go to the squared place is 100. 18 is 2 nines is 200. There is no 300. 3 cubed, 27, is in the cubed place. Just like 1,000 is 10 cubed, 27 is 3 cubed. Okay, so now I will start the actual talking here. Okay, so we are now doing base 3 arithmetic, where the only digits allowed are 0, 1, and 2. So notice if you go 1, 2, the next number after 2 that doesn't have anything but 0, 1s, and 2s in it is 10, 10. But 10 in base 3 is not the number 10 in base 10. It is 3, because it's 1 in the 3's place. So if I look at the place values, it's the 1's place on the right, and then the 3's place. Now remember that 100 always means the base squared. What is 3 squared? It is 9. Okay, 1000 would be the base cubed. Look down at the bottom of the table that I already drew for you, and it is 27 base 10, and that's 3 cubed. And then the last, so 7. Okay, the last one, 10000, that would be 3 to the 4th, just like 10,000 is 10 to the 4th. And 3 to the 4th is 81. Okay, so if I have a 5-digit number, it's going to have, and I'm going to start writing them with, I think, numbers instead of words after the 3's place. And actually, I think I will write 3 squared's place, and then the 3 cubed's place, and then the 3 to the 4th's place. So this is 9's, 27's, and 81's place. Okay, so 204 in base 10. I need the biggest power of 3. So what have we got? 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. The next power of 3 is 243, which is too big. That's 3 to the 5th. That's too big, because 204 is less than that. So let's start subtracting off 81s. 204 is 81 times something. Yeah, subtract 81 once, subtract 81 twice, it goes in twice. And then what's the remainder? 42. So now we'll have to deal with the 42. 42 is bigger than 27. So 42 is 27 times 1 plus 15. So far, let's just think about this. We've got an 81's place, a 27's place, a 9's place, a 3's place, and a 1's place. Okay, so first we've got 2 in the 81's place. Now we've got 1 in the 27's place. Now we have to break up the 15. 15 is 1 in the 9's place, and then 6 left over. So 1 in the 9's place. And then 6 is 2 3's, and no leftover. So 2 in the 3's place, and no leftover. All right, here's a cute way to do this. It's a upside down version of long division. So watch this. I'm going to do it this way. Instead of writing the remainder underneath, I'm going to write the remainder to the right. So 3 into 204 use your calculator. It's 68 and nothing, right? It's just 68 exactly. Now, I take 3 into 68. What is 68 divided by 3? It's 22.6666, but what is 0.6666? That's 2/3. That's a remainder of 2. Another way to do that is, let me just write a little note in blue. (68) divided by 3 is 22.66666. So take 3 times 22 is 66. So 68 is 3 times 22 with a remainder of 2. Okay, so back to doing this. What is 3 into 22? Well, it's 7 with a remainder of 1. 3 into 7 is 2 with a remainder of 1. And 3 into 2 is 0 with a remainder of 2. So what you do is you go until you hit 0. And then you can just read the vertical version of the remainders. And they are exactly a vertical version of the number.